today?
I threw up 2 times.
Besides that,
We went to the aquarium, and now we're gonna go to eat, and
let me see. You got the boats behind you.
we have a boat, and we're gonna, and we have a football.
Yeah, football? Oh yeah, I forgot you could play, huh?
The black football.
Yeah, what? Alright, hold on, you gotta get. He said if he has a boat,
That's
he
what I'm
would
gonna
name it. If you guys didn't laugh, you guys are amargados. Careful, Brian, because I can't swim.
And we're gonna play with it in the house. Then we have a dog named Max, but he's a husky. And we have a Nintendo Switch.
Oh yeah.
I think we have.
So anybody that wants it can get it on the Switch, right?
Wait, you have the red and blue. You have the red.
I have the black and gray. I don't have the red and blue controllers.
Oh, you have the black and red, and we have the black. And we have 2 Nintendo Switch.
One.
One is black and red, and 2 is just black.
And then you also made a what channel?
Oh, a channel.
What is it called? You have to say it because that's the name of it.
Dad and son and baby.
Oh, now it's baby. You added the baby in there. It's cool. You can add anything you want. It's your channel.
And Oscar.
And Oscar. Okay, you can't forget Oscar. Oh, look at these little nopalitos right here.
Oh, there we go, Nicole. But there it went.
And what do they say in the movies?
Oh yeah, they say
Because you're a movie star now, so.
they say bye. They say bye. And sometimes they say
All right, so how are you gonna say bye to these people until we're eating?
bye people, and then they say we'll see you on the next video.
All right, out.